All right, team, shifts on. Let's hit the targets. Robots online, systems green. Copy that, proceeding. Thickness is 10.02 millimeters. Hardness certificate matches, it's good.
Surface scan complete. No critical defects.
Nesting is optimized, ready to cut.
Grade A36, batch 2023 of 36. Confirm.
Tolerance is spot on. Next part. Aligning port section now. Ready for clamp? Clamp engaged. Tacking. Arc initiated. Voltage steady at 24. Copy. Spark containment is optimal. Maintaining feed rate. Looks good. Parts delivered. Commencing install. Bulkheads and mounts aligned. Torque set. Alignment verified. Hydropneumatic unit secured. Check geometry. Lifting now. Monitoring for clearance. Lowering engine module. Clear the area. Guides aligned. Ready for mounts. Cooling and fuel secure. Module locked.